horses either. This means it's the Red Sport with 400 horsepower. 2022 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport. It looks so outdated, the most outdated car on the market right now. Interior is the same. I already feel the spring over here, just like the OG 35s is already wearing out at 20,000 miles. Yeah, pretty outdated over here. Steering wheel has a nice red stitch, pretty comfortable. The dash looks really outdated as well. The doors are pretty cool. This is fake carbon fiber. Space is pretty medium. It is a mid-sized car after all. It's not too cramped in here, but it's not that comfortable either. 5-mode selector right here. Let's put it in Sport Plus. As far as the speed goes, the 400 horse Red Sport, it is cringely slow. Like, cringe compared to my 335. Let's hit it. Yeah, these things are garbage. I mean, only hood rats buy these cars, to be honest. It's just, I don't know. It's just not my thing. They feel like ass, they drive like ass. The steering wheel looks luxurious and feels cheap at the same time. What can I tell you? The dash looks leather and luxurious, but cheap at the same time. I don't know. It's a pretty tacky car. Car is a 2022 with almost 20,000 miles, so it is pretty well driven. Speed's just not there. It's peppy, I'll give it that, but you can't call this car fast, not at all.